Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna talk about the most important self-improvement habit. And you might know it. It's very simple to guess. It's right next to meditation. It's journaling. And why is journaling so important, you might ask? Look, I got myself a thick-ass journal right here, right? And I journal. You should journal on daily, because once you stop, you're gonna be feeling very bad. And you don't have to journal like 15 pages per day, you just have to journal a bit. And I'm gonna tell you why is journal so important. So back in my day, my story was like, your life feels like shit. My life felt like shit when I didn't journal. And I was always thinking like, why would journal help me? It's like it's just writing your feelings and stuff down. But actually it does help you a lot. I mean, I tried it once. I didn't believe it before, but then I tried it. And now I know it's true. It's actually a very powerful thing. For self-improvement especially. So what do you have to do? Why does it help you? Because it clears your mind. You write down your thoughts, your emotions, your feelings, and you write them exactly how you feel them. You're mad, you write them mad. You write them fuck them, fuck that shit. For example, right? You really have to put your mind out there. Just what you're thinking, put it out there. And then ask yourself questions. Why is it like this? Why is it like that? Why do you think this? Why am I thinking this? And go really deep. Once you get an answer, why are you thinking this? But what causes me to think this? And why is that so? And why is that so? And why is it that way? You have to go really, really deep and find the deepest thing, the deepest reason why this is going on. So yeah, journal really helps you clear your mind, put your thoughts onto the paper, and let the thing move on. You have a very big burden in your head, but you put it down. And now it's on the paper, and now you feel relieved, you feel better. It helps you to process all this shit, all the stuff that's happening in your life. So journal is important. And there is another big thing you should know about it. You're not writing for the reader. Journal is written for the writer. So you're writing it, and it's not meant to be read by anyone, not even yourself in the future. You're not writing it for your future self. You're not writing it for anyone to read. No one needs to understand how you write shit in there. No one needs to understand what you write in there. You just write in there. You write every fucking thing that comes to your mind. You don't need to over-explain yourself. But you can, so you understand the stuff better. When you ask yourself questions, over-explain yourself. For yourself. But don't do it so someone else will understand it. Don't write for the reader. Write for yourself. For the writer. Pain sucks, but it's what makes us stronger. Stay hard.